Hi folks, welcome back. So after having a good look at OCI AI services like OCI Digital Assistant, then we looked at OCI language, it's time to take a look at the OCI speech service. Now remember, when we say speech, we are talking about speech to text, right? That's one of the key things you always need to remember whenever we are talking about OCI speech. The other thing you need to remember is it's nothing related to text. So input is speech here, right? And the other important bit is that we are talking about audio or voice here, right? So that's where OCI speech comes into picture, right? So let's take a look. So OCI speech provides speech to text conversion, as I said. So OCI speech enables the conversion of spoken language into text, which facilitates the transcription of audio files and real-time speech. Very important. So two things are there. One is that you can actually have your audio files and you can store in, say, OCI object storage or your bucket, right? And you are utilizing that, giving that as an input to the say OCI speech service, and from that point onwards it actually goes and creates a text file, or you can say a JSON file for you, right? So the other way is real time. Real time means that as I'm speaking, it is able to generate text out of it, right? So this is the real time side of the things. The other side is where you just have stored your say your audio file somewhere and you're utilizing that. So the good news is that yes, it supports multiple languages. As I've been saying, with a lot of OCI AI services, it's not only English, but it's English, French, German, and lot many other languages as well. So it is capable of recognizing and processing multiple languages. And the good thing is it says that it makes it suitable for global applications. So Oracle understands that not everybody would be fluent with English, so that it has to cater to different or multiple languages. So as I discussed in the very first point, it allows real-time and batch processing. So it offers both real-time. Real-time is like right now I'm speaking, it is able to detect my speech and also convert it into text. And batch processing. With batch processing, it is more of like pre-recorded files, as we talked about. Say inside you have a file inside the OCI object storage, and you are passing it over to the OCI speech service, which uses the speech engine and then just basically creates a text file and a JSON file, right? Pretty simple. And a very important point, guys. So it allows SPAG, so which is spelling, punctuation, grammar. So here we are talking about punctuation and capitalization. So OCI speech can automatically insert punctuation and capitalize the text where appropriate. So it understands that if it is a noun, right, a noun should be a capital. If you have a full stop, the next letter after a full stop would be starting with capital. Let's say there, right, there was. So all it is saying is that it will automatically do punctuation and capitalization for you where appropriate, to make it more readable and natural. Now another good thing about natural we'll see in this example. So if you see this example, let's say the user is saying this laptop costs $1,350, $55, right? So it says this laptop costs $1,355. So if you see, it's actually starting with a capital letter, it's ending with a punctuation, right, which is a full stop. But the other good thing about natural, which I want to describe, is it is not saying that this laptop costs say $1 and say 300, say 1,300. It's not doing like that, because it understands when humans speak, they would, or when human writes, he or she would be just putting it in figures, right? Not actually putting it in the actual format where you write in words. You never write money or numerical things in words. Like, so that's why it says it makes the output more readable and natural. So this is more natural if you see, right? Good. So yes, as we saw with the OCI language service, the OCI speech service also integrates with various say OCI key services such as OCI data science, OCI digital assistant for enhanced data analysis and application development. So speech to text is one thing, but what if you want to integrate or you want to do more analytics? So you can always use Oracle Integration Cloud, you can use Oracle Data Science Services, you can do more enhanced level of data analysis and application development, right? It is secure and compliant because it adheres to the Oracle strict security protocols. So even if your text is stored inside a bucket or object storage, it is protected, and then it also ensures confidentiality and integrity of your audio and text data as well. And anyways, we are on a secure platform like Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, right? So it does say that yes, there are various use cases across various industries. Now I do remember some time back I saw one of the doctors actually dictating, like I took my daughter to the hospital. The doctor was just speaking, and as he was speaking, he was recording his voice, and that was actually getting converted into text, and the entire case history was getting created, which was really amazing. So how the doctor was speaking was he was actually saying a specific sentence, then he used to say comma, this, then he used to say full stop. But these are more intelligent, right? Even if you are speaking directly, it can actually convert into speech to text with punctuations, with grammar, with capitalization. So OCI speech can be applied in numerous industries, including customer service for all call transcription. So if you have to look at the call transcriptions, medical transcriptions, you will see that OCI speech will be used. Media for automated subtitling. Now a perfect example would be Udemy, right? When I'm speaking, it is able to generate, even Udemy has that capability that it can generate captions, right? So when I'm speaking, if you're not a native English speaker or you can read easily English, then you can see that your captions or subtitles will come as I'm speaking. So it can be used in the healthcare for medical dictation, as I gave you a perfect example when I went to a doctor, and can also be used for legal purposes for deposition transcription. So mainly transcription, I would say, where you're converting speech to text. With this, we come to the end of the lecture on OCI AI Service, OCI Speech. Thanks for watching.